Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am finally headed back to my mini planner, my mini transformer planner that has my socialite in the wellness. And today we are going to plan in the wellness section of the planner. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and comment, and also click that notification bell to be the first to know when a new video is posted to this channel. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up at the end. So y'all, let me just tell y'all, I had to do this plan with me at work today because my schedule is so busy. I did not have time to schedule a plan with me at home. So I brought this pretty pink paper that you see here in the background from the paper source. I lugged in my sticker books, lugged in my planners, and then when it came to lunch, instead of eating, I decided to do the plan with me, just so that I can share some time with you guys. Y'all, I was so excited to do my plan with me today. I'm doing my plan with me at work. I purchased this pretty paper, which I drug out in the rain and the snow on today, and I opted to do the plan with me during my lunchtime because my schedule for the rest of the week is kind of going to be super busy. But I wanted to get this plan with me done. I've been away from my mini planner for such a long time, and I was determined to get big into it, especially for this week, which is Valentine's week. So this week's plan with me is going to be Valentine related, and so that it's about love and not necessarily the couple, red heart, red flowers, exchanging relationship type Valentine's. It's going to be more about self-love, self-awareness as to loving myself on this week. And the reason being is that after 18 years of marriage, I am now divorced. I've been divorced for about 5 years, but sometimes Valentine's can be a little emotional for me. And so I want to remind myself with little reminders in my planner on this week to love myself, to do things for myself, and also have a pretty planner. So it'll be a lot of motivational stuff in my planner for this week geared towards me. I mean, I'm going to plan in it as well, but just some reminders for myself about love and self-love. So just keep watching. I will speed up the video a whole lot so that you guys won't be so bored listening to me rant and rave. I'm gonna just tell y'all now, y'all, I have been so indecisive about this planner and what I was putting it on. And I need to plan. I need to learn how to plan the plan, because I just sit down, open up my planner, I flip through a page and see a color, and I say, oh, I'm gonna go with this theme. But I was so wishy-washy. As you keep watching, you will see me put down stickers, pull up stickers, put down stickers. Like, I don't know what was even going on. I wasn't pressured or rushed. I was at lunch, but I just wasn't feeling certain things. And a lot of times I'll just leave it because I'll be like, there's next week. But today I was like, no, let's just, I don't know what was going on with me today. So this weekend, I am going to be a little bit busy as I will have my granddaughter the whole entire weekend so that my daughter and son-in-law can enjoy the Valentine's weekend. So I got to plan a whole lot of stuff. Plus we have a planners meetup. So I'll have to keep my granddaughter entertained, do the planners meetup, church on Sunday, drop off my granddaughter, and then try to play catch up. Because when she's around, there's not too much work that I'll be able to get done, which could be a good thing. I probably need to relax and start working so hard. But yeah, I got a lot to do. Hence, me doing my planner at work so that I can have the rest of the week to do some other stuff. Because when she gets here, me and my little girlfriend, we are going to be on the go, on the move, and just enjoying each other's company. One thing I'm noticing, so I didn't have my makeup light or my overhead light. I did have a small light ring, a mini light ring that goes over your phone. And now that I'm looking, the light ring is shining more on this pretty paper than it is on my planner paper. So hopefully it's not too dark. I can see it on my end, that it looks okay. But I see that bright light shining over there on the left-hand side more so than the rest of the paper. So my apologies, guys. I'll get it right for the next time. I am so in love with these colors. I'm trying to become a pro. I be seeing a lot of videos. Yep, that's what I said. I have seen a lot of videos where some of you expert planners make these planners look like architecture at work. And I'm trying to get like that. So I just dropped down my weekly goals. I have a couple of goals that things that I really need to get done on this week besides this plan with me. But here comes the motivational part where I tell myself, you got this, you can make it through this day. And again, I get a little wishy-washy on this side with sticker placements, where I'm putting stickers at after I've laid them down, pulling them up. And the one thing, I'm using the wellness sticker book. And the one good thing about the stickers that are in this book, that I have not had any problems pulling up the stickers and replacing them throughout the book. So I do love that about this sticker book, because for those of you who plan and use stickers, you know, sometimes it can really be a struggle. Here I go again, being wishy-washy, moving stickers all around after I've placed them down, and then not like them in that spot. And then finding something else. Do you guys do that too, or is that just me? And this little sticker here, it has been all over this planner page with my note to self. I think I'm gonna finally leave it over here. This choose joy too. I put it down, I pull it up, I put it down, I pull it up. I'll get it one day. And as you can see, I dropped the treat yourself sticker because I like to treat myself for Valentine's. Because I've always been so used to getting a gift, I still continue to buy myself a gift. Nothing extravagant or expensive, just something as a little reminder to love yourself. Well, for me to love myself. Do you guys get gifts for yourself if you're single, or my single people out there, or even if you're married or in a relationship? Do you guys buy yourself a gift as well? And so as you can see, for Wednesday, I have my Just Breathe, because I know Thursday is coming. It's going to be an overload. You're going to see a whole lot of deliveries of flowers and candy and teddy bears and etc., etc. And that's just my reminder to breathe and not to gain anxiety from it, which I've really been doing pretty good, but I never know how I'm going to feel until that morning when I start seeing stuff. So those are my motivational words that I have for myself. And hopefully you guys will have a good Valentine's. I hope no one is going to be sitting at home sad and depressed. I want you to know that you are loved, even if it's not by the person who you want to love you or the person that you love. Everything happens for a reason, but just know that God loves you and God's got your back even through all of this. And I love you too. I am so in love with this planner. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'm loving the colors. I'm loving my background. I think I am going to keep this paper at work so that whenever I want to do a plan with me at lunch, I could do so. And I feel like when I look at my planner, when I see the words that I have on the paper, that if there should be a time where I am like in my feelings, that I can look at my planner and remind myself to breathe and that everything is okay, that I got it, and to stay positive throughout this week, because I know that I am loved, I receive love, God loves me. And yeah, This planner is making me happy. I feel like this planner is my boo. This spread is my boo. I love it. I put a lot of time into it. So guys, let me know what you think. And also share with me, what do you do for self-motivation through your planner? Do you guys put out notes such as this? Or do you guys do something else? And that's about it. This is my self-care section that I keep my wellness planner in. And just a little tidying up here. But thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button down below to be the first to know when I post a new video to this channel. Voila! It's all done.